Have you ever looked at someone your age and wondered why they seem full of energy while you feel tired all the time? Maybe they walk every morning, play with their grandchildren, travel, or simply enjoy life without constantly worrying about their health. Meanwhile, you may have noticed changes in your own body. You get tired more easily. You run out of breath faster. Climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Even carrying groceries can sometimes leave you feeling exhausted. Most people simply blame aging. And yes, getting older does change the body, but many experts now believe that some of these changes may not be caused by age alone. In many cases, they may be related to what's happening inside the blood vessels. Every day, your heart pumps blood through nearly 60,000 miles of blood vessels. These vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients to every organ in your body, but over time, plaque can slowly build up inside those arteries. And here's the scary part. This process usually happens silently. There is often no pain, no obvious symptoms, no warning, until one day it may lead to a heart attack, stroke, or other serious health problem. The good news? You are not powerless. Research continues to show that everyday lifestyle choices can have a tremendous impact on heart health, and one of the most powerful tools may already be sitting in your kitchen. Today, let's explore some of the foods and habits that science consistently links to healthier arteries and a stronger heart, because it's never too late to start taking care of your heart. What really happens inside clogged arteries? Many people think clogged arteries happen because someone ate too many eggs, too much butter, or too much red meat. But artery disease is actually much more complicated. Think of your arteries like smooth, flexible garden hoses. When we're young, blood flows freely through them. But as years pass, several things can begin to damage those blood vessels. High blood pressure, smoking, high blood sugar, chronic stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, inflammation. All of these factors can gradually injure the delicate inner lining of the arteries. Once that lining becomes damaged, cholesterol particles can enter the artery wall. The immune system responds. Inflammation increases. Over many years, plaque slowly begins to form. The arteries become narrower and stiffer. Eventually, blood flow can become restricted. This is why heart disease remains the leading cause of death in America. The important thing to remember is this: heart disease usually develops slowly, and because it develops slowly, daily habits matter. Small choices made every day can either help protect your arteries or slowly damage them. The surprising power of red foods. Let's start with the simplest food available: tomatoes. Many people think of tomatoes as just a sandwich topping or salad ingredient, but tomatoes contain a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is similar to rust forming inside the body. Over time, this damage can contribute to artery disease. Scientists have found that people who regularly consume foods rich in lycopene often have better cardiovascular health. Other excellent sources include watermelon, pink grapefruit, papaya, guava. Interestingly, cooked tomatoes may actually provide more usable lycopene than raw tomatoes, so don't underestimate simple meals like homemade tomato soup, tomato sauce over vegetables, stewed tomatoes, or even fresh salsa. Sometimes the foods that help us most aren't exotic or expensive. They're the foods our grandparents regularly ate. Why plant foods deserve a place on every plate. Many older adults grew up in homes where vegetables were considered side dishes. Today, science tells us that fruits and vegetables deserve center stage. Plants contain thousands of natural compounds that support health. One group is called phytosterols. These compounds naturally help reduce cholesterol absorption. Think of phytosterols as friendly competitors. When they enter the digestive system, they compete with cholesterol for absorption. As a result, less cholesterol may enter the bloodstream. Some excellent sources include avocados, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, beans, lentils, seeds, spinach, and other dark leafy greens. Adding even one extra serving of vegetables each day can make a meaningful difference over time. You don't have to become vegetarian. You don't have to eat perfectly. Progress matters far more than perfection. The hidden fire inside the body.
One of the biggest discoveries in modern medicine is the role of chronic inflammation. Inflammation is helpful when you cut your finger or fight an infection, but low-grade inflammation that continues for years is different. Many experts now believe chronic inflammation plays a major role in heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, and many other conditions associated with aging. Unfortunately, the typical modern diet often fuels inflammation. Highly processed foods, sugary drinks, fast food, excessive added sugars. These foods may increase inflammation throughout the body. Fortunately, nature provides foods that may help calm that internal fire. Foods rich in flavonoids are especially important. Examples include blueberries, strawberries, apples, oranges, onions, garlic, dark chocolate. These foods contain natural compounds that help support blood vessel health and reduce oxidative stress. Even drinking green tea regularly may provide additional cardiovascular benefits. The goal isn't to eat these foods once in a while. The goal is to make them part of your routine, because routine creates results. Why some fats protect your heart. For decades, fat had a bad reputation. Many people spent years avoiding all fats. But today, scientists recognize that certain fats are essential for good health. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most studied heart-friendly foods in the world. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. Research consistently shows that people who regularly consume olive oil as part of a healthy dietary pattern tend to experience lower rates of cardiovascular disease. Simple ways to use olive oil include drizzling it over vegetables, using it in salad dressings, cooking with it instead of butter or highly processed oils. Another important food group is fatty fish. Examples include salmon, sardines, mackerel, herring, trout. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support healthy blood vessels, and may lower triglycerides. Eating fatty fish just 2 times per week may provide significant benefits. Foods that look healthy but may not be. Marketing can be confusing. Walk through any grocery store and you'll see packages labeled natural, heart healthy, low fat, whole grain, but labels can sometimes be misleading. Many breakfast cereals contain a large amount of added sugar. Some flavored yogurts contain as much sugar as dessert. Granola bars are often little more than candy bars in disguise. Fruit juice may sound healthy, but even 100% juice can deliver a large amount of sugar without the beneficial fiber found in whole fruit. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy these foods. It simply means reading labels matters. Whenever possible, choose foods that look close to how they came from nature. An apple instead of apple juice. Plain yogurt with fresh berries instead of heavily sweetened yogurt. Oatmeal instead of sugary cereal. Small swaps can have a surprisingly large impact.
Your heart loves movement. Food is only one piece of the puzzle. Movement matters too. Unfortunately, many adults become less active as they age. Joint pain, busy schedules, health problems, fear of falling, all of these can reduce physical activity. But the body was designed to move. Regular exercise helps improve circulation, lower blood pressure, support healthy weight, improve blood sugar control, strengthen the heart muscle, reduce stress, and improve mood. The good news is that exercise doesn't have to be intense. Walking, swimming, gardening, dancing, chair exercises, even household chores count. Consistency is far more important than intensity. A simple daily walk can become one of the best medicines for the heart. Conclusion: your arteries have been working for you every second of every day for decades. They deserve care. The wonderful thing about the human body is its ability to respond to positive change, no matter your age, no matter your past habits. Healthy choices made today still matter. Start small. Add an extra serving of vegetables. Take a short walk. Choose water instead of soda.
Cook one heart-healthy meal this week. Small steps repeated consistently can lead to remarkable improvements over time. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future health videos. And leave a comment below. What is one heart-healthy habit you plan to start today? Your story may inspire someone else.